Good day once again, beautiful people. So now we have an equation which we are supposed to solve for x. So whenever we face this kind of equation, remember the square root form will always be on the left hand side and the other one on the right hand side, and actually it will be much easier to solve equations like this. So how do we do that? We have here square root of x minus 1, then we take 3 to the right hand side, we're gonna have x minus here, so minus 7. So because negative 4 minus 3 is going to be negative 7. So here, good people, we don't want to be dealing with a square root. So how do we do? How do we get rid of it? We square both sides, good people. So we square both sides there. So when we square them, we're going to get something like this after we square. So x minus 1 on this side here equal to x minus 7 squared. So we know that the square root, when you square it, it just cancels. So that is why on the left hand side we are left with only x minus 1. So we know that x minus 7 squared, good people, we can also expand it in order for it to be easier, for us to be easier, for it to be easier to simplify. So now we are going to have what? We're going to have x minus 7. So we just do it on this side, good people. X minus 7. Why? Because we have square, so meaning it's double x minus 7. So multiplied, good people. So if we had 3 there, it was going to be 3 x minus 7 multiplied. So here, good people, we just going to multiply. So we multiply this one, and we know we get how much, good people? X squared. And we multiply again x and negative 7. We get how much? Negative 7x. So again, we multiply negative 7 and x. We get also negative 7, good people. And again, you must always consider the signs, good people. Then we multiply again negative 7 by negative 7, which we are going to get positive, because of negative by negative is positive 49, good people. So here our equation, here our expression is simplified, so it's much easier to work with it. So here it's x minus 1, so equal to x squared. So these ones we just to do what? We just add, good people, and when we add negative 7 minus 7, we get negative 14x, good people. Negative 14x there, good people. And then we have what? We have plus 49. Yeah, plus 49, good people. So here it is clear that we have a quadratic equation. So but we have to arrange it. So now we're gonna add the like terms. So on the left hand side, everything on the left hand side, we're just gonna translate it to the right hand side. So here is going to be 0 equal to 0 equal to, put people, x squared. So here is negative, we take x to that side, we're gonna add it with negative 14 because they are the like terms. So negative 14x minus x is going to give us negative 15x. Then you take 1 to that side, we're gonna add it with 49, and then we get 50. Yes, we get good 50, good people, because 1 is going to be positive on that side. So it's much clear that we have to factorize this equation in order for us to get the value of x. So when we factorize, we look for the factors of 50, that's of which you add, they must give you 15, negative 15. So good people, the factors of 50 we know that is going to be 10 and 5. So let us do it. So here is going to be our 10, here is going to be our 5. So for you look at the number there, we look at the term, middle term. Our middle term is negative, so that meaning that both our factors must be negative, because remember, negative 10 minus 5 is negative 15, and when you multiply this by this, it's going to give you positive 50. So our x is going to be equal to 10, or our x will be equal to 5, good people. So remember, you are not done yet. We have to make sure that both your answers are, are, are right solutions, good people, so are correct solutions. So we just have to substitute every value of your x here on the original equation. So if the left hand side is equal to right hand side, that means they are correct, good people. So let us do that. So on the left hand side, we have square root. We substitute first 10, good people. 10 is going to be 10 minus 1 plus 3, good people. So here is 9. Square root of 9 is going to give us 3. 3 plus 3. Here is going to be 3 plus 3, which is going to give us 6, good people. So on the left hand side, we have how much is going to be 10 here. Is going to be 10 minus our 4, so which is going to give us how much? 6. So that means 10 is our solution, is correct. So good people, we also have to substitute. Remember, all the values of x are substitute, so we have to substitute 5 also to see whether it's a solution. So we have square root here of 5, remember, 1 minus 1, so plus 3, good people. So how much do we get here, good people? It's going to be 4. 5 square root of 4 we know is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5, good people. So there we substitute again. On the right hand side, we substitute how much? 5 minus 4, which is going to give us 1, good people. That means 5 cannot be a solution because this is not equal to this. So 5 cannot be our solution, good people. So that's how you do it. Have a nice day. For more of videos like this, subscribe. We'll be doing more and more mathematics for you, good people, from examination.